This channel is making $10,000 to $150,000 every single month, and it is fully automated by AI, meaning he doesn't have to do the work himself, the AI is doing all the work for him. This is the exact way that we are going to learn and apply to earn thousands of dollars using AI. I will also show you the bonus way to earn double and triple amounts using one of the best online business methods and strategies at the end of this video, so keep watching. As you can see, this channel is posting videos of some video footage and AI generated voice, and the subtitle of this video, and making thousands of dollars. Now I am going to show you how you can also do like this and make money from your home, so let's dive right into it. The first step is to choose a niche for your YouTube channel. We're going with nature as it has a broad appeal and offers a lot of opportunities for captivating visuals. Once you've decided on your niche, create a YouTube channel and make sure to optimize your channel name, description, and tags to attract your target audience. Here comes the magic of AI. We're going to use ChatGPT to generate captivating video scripts. It's essential to plan your content to keep viewers engaged and encourage them to watch till the end. Simply input your keywords or ideas related to the nature niche and let ChatGPT do the rest. It will provide you with well-structured and creative content that fits your style. As we know that our channel is nature niche, so for example write 10 most important facts about river, or anything you want to get on. But you should research the trending topic that is going viral on YouTube related to your niche. So we have a script, now it's time to convert it into a voice. And to do this, come over to this website called getwarady.com. This is a free text-to-speech generator which can generate a whole script into MP3 format. I can show you some premium software like play.htans so on, but for now you can use free method. So simply come over to its official website and create your free account. After that, paste your script here on this box. And then select the gender and language according to your interest. Check this box and simply click on this Speak It button at the bottom. Once it is done, download it to your computer. Now that we have our script ready, let's create engaging video content with Canva. Go to Canva's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Click on the Create a Design button and select video from the options presented. Choose the aspect ratio for your video. For example, you can select 16:9 for a standard widescreen format or 1:1 for square videos suitable for social media. Now, for the footage of your video, head over to pexels.com in a separate browser tab and search for the nature footages you want to use in your video. Pexels offers high-quality, free stock videos that you can use for your projects without any attribution. So you can search for the videos related to river keyword and find the good-looking footages. Once you find the footage you like, download it to your computer. Back on Canva, click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar and then click on the Upload Media button. Select the footage files you downloaded from Pexels. After the uploads are complete, drag and drop the footage onto the Canva timeline. And as we have a voice downloaded for this video, so we will also upload that to Canva. Arrange them in the desired order to create your video sequence. If necessary, you can trim or edit the footage to fit the desired duration. Simply click on a footage clip on the timeline, and a video editing menu will appear above it. Use the trim option to adjust the start and end times of each footage. Once you're satisfied with your video, click on the play button to preview it. Make any final adjustments if needed. Then, click on the download button in the top right corner to save your video to your computer. But before we go any deeper, if you are enjoying this video and you are getting some value, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Finance Boy. Press the bell icon on so that you will be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Now let's move to our next step. Now it's time to get subtitle for your video. Don't worry, we are going to use another AI that will generate the subtitle for your whole video automatically. Now go to Veed.io. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Click on the Upload button on the Veed.io homepage and select the video you want to add subtitles to from your computer. Once your video is uploaded, click on the Subtitles tab on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find the option to enable automatic subtitles. Veed.io allows you to customize the appearance of the subtitles. You can choose the subtitle language, style, size, color, and position to suit your video's look and feel. Click on the Start button to begin the automatic subtitle generation process. V.io will analyze the audio in your video and convert it into subtitles. Once the subtitles are generated, you can review them to ensure accuracy. V.io provides an editor where you can make any necessary adjustments, such as correcting errors or adding punctuation. After you're satisfied with the subtitles, click on the Export button to save the video with the auto-generated subtitles. Now you can upload it on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and so on to make money online, and as I said that I will show you the bonus method. So, this is the 7-figure online business tutorial which will teach you from beginning to building a 7-figure online business for free, so check out it from the first link in the description box of this video. Whenever you need motivation, just see your family and start working hard. So keep your work continue and start your online earning journey from today. So that's it for today guys. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon on, so that you will be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. If you have any question, then don't forget to leave a comment. I will reply to your comment as soon as possible. So keep learning and keep smiling. See you in the next video.